If you're looking to build a donation form with automated receipts, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step using the software we'll be using today, making the process as easy as possible for you. First, let's talk about why you'd want to create this. A donation form is an essential tool for any nonprofit or charitable organization. Adding automated receipts not only streamlines your workflow, but also provides your donors with instant proof of their contribution, helping you stay organized while keeping your supporters happy. So, let's get started. Step 1. Start with choosing your donation platform. If you've already got one in mind, great. If not, don't worry. In this video, we'll use a software that makes the process seamless. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for the software. Don't forget, I've got a special exclusive free trial for you in the description below, so you can follow along with me. Step 2. After logging into the software, create a new donation form. Most platforms will have a Create New Form button right on the dashboard. You'll be prompted to fill out basic information, like the form title, what the donations are for, and the types of donations you're accepting. You can include custom fields like donation amount, recurring options, and even an option for donors to add a personal message or specify the cause. Step 3. Now, let's move on to setting up the automated receipt. After your form is built, find the receipts or thank you settings within your software. Here, you'll have the option to create a custom receipt message. This is where you'll personalize the receipt by adding the donor's name, donation amount, and date. Some platforms will even let you include a logo or image to make it look professional. Step 4. Make sure to set up the email automation. You want your donors to receive a receipt immediately after they submit their donation. In the software, look for an option to trigger an automatic email after the donation is processed. This email should contain the custom message you just created and a thank you note that acknowledges their generosity. Step 5. Test the form. Once everything's set up, test the donation form to make sure everything works as expected. Submit a small donation through the form and check if the automated receipt gets sent right away. If there's an issue, most platforms have an easy way to debug or adjust settings to ensure it works perfectly. Step 6. Lastly, integrate your form into your website or social media pages. Once you're confident the form is working and automated receipts are set up, you can embed the form wherever you need it. Many platforms will provide an embed code or even a direct link you can share with potential donors. Here's the key takeaway from this video. Building a donation form with automated receipts isn't as complicated as it sounds. It's a great way to stay organized, save time, and provide your donors with a smooth experience. All you need is the right software, a little setup time, and you're good to go. To quickly recap, start by signing up for the software, create your donation form, set up the automated receipt, test it, and integrate it. It's really that simple. And don't forget, the software we use today comes with an exclusive free trial just for you, so make sure to take advantage of it using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.